The structural thinning on these rivet lines is critical.
And the firebox plates are completely compromised.
Heavy Spitzes. The legendary Big Boy 4014, once a symbol of American elements, now
Here we see the crew attempting to free the frozen valve gear. The broken return cranks and seized eccentric rods show the extent of the decay.
Easy now, easy. Keep it steady on the front dolly.
Holding steady, boss. The beams are almost clear. Pressure's holding steady at 5,000.
Mechanical locks are engaged and torqued. We are secure.
We got to clear this entire section by sundown.
Keep pushing it towards the center. The rust is thick here. Okay, secure gauge 3 right there. Pads holding firm. Readings are steady on the monitor.
The massive 132-foot-long Big Boy No 4014, showing extreme decay with streaming rust, is
All right, pull it forward another 10 feet. Easy now. Watch the clearance.
Careful with that beam. Watch your footing up there.
Okay, I've got it secured. Send up the next vertical.
All right, take it easy now. Nice and slow on the lift. Watch the clearance on the frame.
Corrosion mapping. The Union Pacific Big Boy No 4014, measuring 132 feet.
The Big Boy 4014, a relic of the WW2 era, requires extensive cleaning before the real restoration can begin.
We've got significant warping here, 42 millimeters off alignment.
Noted. The corrosion on the articulation joint is severe.
Surface roughness on this section is holding steady at 125.
And the corrosion here is within tolerance. The running gear is spotless, no issues here.
All right, mark it down. Preparation is complete. Easy now, easy. We need another inch to the left before we set it.
It's a meticulous process, aligning the new cab sections. The roar of the riveters signals a major step.
Check the readout on the number 3 axle, it looks straight.
Confirmed within tolerance, the frame is true. We're seeing some deflection near the coupling joint.
Understood. Rescanning that specific area now.
Installing these replica boiler tubes is painstaking work, ensuring the massive locomotive's firebox can handle the pressure once it returns to the rails.
Keep it steady, I'm almost through the bend. All right, I got it. Push it through. A little more to the left on that eccentric. Easy now.
All right, it's seated. Go ahead and secure the pin.
Okay, torque that one down.
Got it. This housing is heavier than the last one.
Yeah, they're all period appropriate steel.
Make sure the voltage is stable on the auxiliary line.
Reading steady at 74 volts. Securing the harness now.
Torque on that linkage looks good.
Air manifold connected, pressure holding steady.
At 132 feet, the dual-engine silhouette dominates the workshop as the iconic red stripe is carefully applied to the running boards.
Flawless application across the boiler. Get the final reading.
Gauge reads within tolerance.
Looks good, sir. Easy now, easy. Guide it down.
Got it. Bring the wrench over.
Hitting it now. That's it. We have full pressure and synchronization. Roger that. She's ready.
Union Pacific Big Boy No 4014, a relic of the World War II era, undergoes complete resurrection here in Cheyenne.